Hi, I'm Janaki Srinivasan. I'm the convener for IIITB's Center for IT and Public Policy, or CITAP for short. CITAP is a think tank set up to focus on the policy and organizational challenges that have emerged from innovation in digital technologies. We believe strongly that the design, deployment, and the use of digital technologies needs to be rigorously researched and critically evaluated. At CETAP, we undertake interdisciplinary research to understand the social, economic, and political implications of digital technologies. In recent times, this has included research on how digital technologies have reshaped the nature of work automation and the lives of workers, as well as how class, caste, and gender influence the uptake of digital IDs and digitally mediated governance. Because our goal is to nurture public policy and debate on inclusive, ethical, and equitable design of technology, CTAP collaborates with academia and other research think tanks, with policymakers, public officials, technologists, civil society, and community organizations. To reach all of these diverse audiences, we at CTAP produce a range of outputs based on our research. So this includes publishing academic monographs and articles in top tier journals and conferences. We also make our research available through online and offline media to encourage public engagement and action. We produce training material for public officials. I would like to share some examples of the work that we have done in the past year. CTAP faculty V. Sridhar brought out an edited volume on data-centric living, algorithms, digitization, and regulation with Rutledge this year. A result of collaborations between CTAP faculty and other IIITB faculty, this interdisciplinary volume examines the socioeconomic and regulatory challenges of living in a data-driven world and what that means for domains such as health, finance, and governance. True to CTAP's ethos, chapters in the book cover both technological and social dimensions of datafication in skilling and employment, in gaming, in the use of mobile money, and in accessing welfare benefits. The book also examines technological and regulatory solutions to the privacy and ethical concerns that have been unleashed by datafication. Several CTAP faculty work on different dimensions of work and workers in the digital age. Of particular interest are the automation of work and the platform economy. You can learn more about my colleague Bidisha Chaudhary's research on humanizing automation and the case of data labeling in her video for BTS on that topic. Balaji Parthasarathy, Preeti Mudaliar, Sridhar, and I research various aspects of the platform economy as part of multiple projects. One of these projects is the Global Fair Work project that seeks to highlight the best and worst labor practices in the platform economy. My colleague Balaji Parthasarathy and I are a part of the Fair Work India team that is anchored at IIITB. Our team brings out an annual report that evaluates and ranks prominent gig work platforms in India along the 5 fair work principles of fair pay, fair conditions, fair contract, fair management, and fair representation. The 2020 Fair Work India report highlighted the precarious conditions faced by gig workers. Several of the gig work platforms we scored have publicly responded to the concerns raised by the report. We are hopeful that we can continue working closely with workers, platform management, policymakers, and consumers to build a fairer future for gig work. CTAP faculty have also been engaged in working directly with governments and international bodies to produce training material for public officials. Earlier this year, my colleague Amit Prakash conceptualized an academy module on digital government and transformation for the United Nations Asian and Pacific Training Center for Information and Communication Technology for Development. This module provides an overview of how digital technologies can be used to improve the quality of governance and contribute to the Sustainable Development Goals. We look forward to growing our research, collaborations, and outreach in the coming years. If you'd like to know more about our work or collaborate with us, do reach out at ctap@iitb.ac.in. We would love to hear from you.